All Africa Games, right? Can you share with this committee how much that coverage was for and whether payment has been made for same?
Yes, GBC was the official broadcaster for the African Games, the 13th African Games, and I can confirm that full payment have made to GBC.
Do you have per chance what the amount was?
I can't recall the exact amount, but I know that it's in the excess of $3 million US dollars.
You paid GBC
yes.
in excess of $3 million US dollars
yes.
for coverage of the All Africa Games.
Yes.
And we could never have used those monies for GBC's needs. No, it wasn't possible. That would have been criminal. We facilitated payments to foreign third parties who came in to do the production.
Yamashofo in Akoba, over Amnesty TV. The 13th All African Games are Ghana hostie. Masa, and the Minister of Sports, Ekopim, or appointing committee, say the committee now, yes, some committee MP, some Ghanaians. What I say, Bimbo NDC, Bimu MPP, and Omokushimo. But committee be emphasis, say, be cost for mining. Nasa maybe you did that. Nkofona no nku ya na ya fro appointing committee se bra na be yu ho ano na ndo ayo ho na Minister of Sports omo friends so mbra because All African Games na e course no omo hwe skadi bia koso nti minister emra no be yi ni ho ano na minister ko ni first question Sam George to dem an say masa ya te say All African Games no still na nkofo e bae e be adwuma the vendors on bae omo be to mu si wo yi adwuma be bre na ho a yinti o market you omo na even the TV omo sambe broadcasting no kwa yehwa omaketua ensambae yampa na sede ena minister so da be ni dia Sam George gina ho na wonim ne eba menke kan kire wa agent TV no a ombe broadcast 13th All African Games so omo GSK 3 billion enye sika katoa masa ena Ghana for say GTV Ghana o na nkasa de enye TV3 o enye obi individual GTV o na nkasa TV station cover ade o na nkasa emfa so de a na GTV essentially charge amount of 3 billion. Meaning the amasa, Monkano Quantre, Monkano Quantre ye. Because a banner send a GTV or minor di. Government idea if it's Omoyo Kuma, if send a GTV, if come my life. They say, bit to say, Ghana Premier League, if send a GTV, if come my life. So GTV Munka, no mu ye 1992 March. In two patches said that at the 13th All African Games, Kosu Kuma, GTV, Ajusika 3 billion. Minister Sanchez, fully paid. Well, Chase Canning now fully paid.
You had an arrangement with GBC to cover the All Africa Games, right? Can you share with this committee how much that coverage was for and whether payment has been made for same?
Yes, GBC was the official broadcaster for the African Games, the 13th African Games, and I can confirm that full payment have made to GBC.
Do you have per chance what the amount was?
I can't recall the exact amount, but I know that it's in the excess of $3 million US dollars.
You paid GBC
yes.
in excess of $3 million US dollars yes. for coverage of the All Africa Games.
Yes.
Chairman, I think that I would rest here and maybe the next time GBC appears before us, because most of the technicians who worked on the All Africa Games have still not been paid. And so we wanted to ascertain if you have paid and how much has been paid. Chairman, I'm grateful.
Into one moment, I'm saying almost sank how market trade on onim hoshe because GTV agent 13 agent 3 billion dada. Into baby a woman market cast or market to a money. Omonko baby or monko G infi baby. One Ghana force any the best of power. Umfia so moody GTV for attempt. Umudi attempts. Na 13 for All African Games. Botemai. What is the Botemai and a GTV no mucha Botemai. At the same time, Legon Sports Stadium and I'm more fat lesson. Namakwa Sports Stadium shop of Fakaka. A pan is a 3 billion. Amount of 3 billion to cover All African Games. Into Ghana 4D item. And a GTV for manager, director, said that Massa. Maybe if I'm crash manager, me crash minister, say minister will try to. A ban is a minister of appointing committee. I could say, charge him with 3 billion. Abra who soon say 1 million per and a much mai. Into that 2 point something I'm more marginal. And we're him fana. What is it? Any of us almost saw a camera and see your manager so some matter. you one the way Ghana for the attempt. Yen tiase. No mun disgrace company ni sa because company no your mining company. What is it? Company your mining company. The minister say margin mo 3 billion 5 billion ama ye dia. What is it? Mo tua ama ye dia. Yes yen tiase. Ye be yi ye ho ano. Ho and a minister director of GTV at the bar monte betches. Masa omoboa enye sa no mo tua ma ye. Omo tua 1.5k and at the my the Mumbisa minister said that amount of 3 billion no na akofa na because ye omo pa no omo ka kire se omo pese ye cover all African games han expose no all African games ye cover and ye chom say GTV na esi krom hai you need that camera you need that equipment to cover ye nya that material say the cover all African games amamo intini ye betuma ye ne say ye betuma broadcast ba camera na enyama camera ne ade ye nya because we say use almost 50 cameras. You see a cover can't say Legon sports stadium you cover ball team man baby on mobile tennis baby on mobile basketball you need that cameras you need that equipment to do but you bet me they have a receive feed and no can no tiase and the GTV ni chess okay into yen call for mobile and I see yen kwala ma be take feed ni ade ade no e so mo muska kakra amount of 150 million mo fa mo na yentumi find and found regional boys and found aduane ni fuo and found be take in charge because you say a government adwuma and a minister minia nko TGTV so almost respond the bread money minister of sports
An event or a series of events such as 2 weeks of sporting fiesta, GBC did not have the technical equipment to do that. So we made it very clear to the ministry from the first meeting that that has to be outsourced. We don't have the equipment. I mean, we don't have the equipment capacity to do it. So the ministry agreed that we should play the role of the official broadcaster, and technical teams were brought in from outside the country. They flew in with their equipment. And as the official broadcaster, we had the responsibility to confirm that work was done and that payment should be effected. And some of these payments were routed through GBC to these third-party payments. Those transfers were not for the benefit of GBC. And we could never have used those monies for GBC's needs. No, it wasn't possible. That would have been criminal. We facilitated payments to foreign third parties who came in to do the production and not for the benefit of GBC. The benefit total payment to GBC's for GBC's benefit, I repeat, was $105,000 US, and that is what we got.
Now, but does GBC have any?
And now the honest watch it means him for HS massa. Yes, I scanned it. Be some baby on the alpha. Him fan and a da left amount because ye crown or yet one a individual will be and obey a payment and your minister of sports for and obey a payment. Ye catch on almost so castle key, need your matty outside the country about the Kenya into for outside the country. I'm doing a camera a back Kenya and a year to man. Into a panison and the minister or quite an appointing committee. Air coaches a mutual 3 billion. Edemai. Abraham one cast some money say a year 3 billion and a mutual and a mutual air 1.5. And they're gonna afford bisa question. Say all African games see. What is a beginning can conform como jiska. A Bayani was okay on the second week. Mafia said the free buses. I will chrome. Uncle Fufia so more free bus at the Kobe. In Tenedia, Massa, Secretary, or for Dizika. Miss all Africa, Uncle for Dizika, Uncle for one. What is it? The Minister of Sports, HS, or not fully payment check will try the Imagine TV for. GTV for the swatch, director of GTV, on swatch operation or Chess Massa. 1.5 and yes, 1.5 for no crown, and your minister for the buy you, and your minister office never buy individual. It is so who is that individual or what that amount of money in if you minister office? And I make us say the minister of sports, a chairman who names sports every day. I make us say this man, after your appointment as a minister of sports, a human idea or pushing efforts over to my but your banner say on your human year into me. Amount of money be a washer or appoint committee to be say bisana or to make kika or cash was fully paid. meaning adwuma no untumi nyɛ. What I say, but who put in effort. Nkɔfo mo ben no na edi sika no go papa na account. Because if GTV I catch us okay, GTV person mo broadcast all African games. Na GTV so already 3 billion. 3 billion no as a manager and as a minister then obey. Oh that be. You see you who GTV because GTV your manager party. So manager party there all African games your minor so idea the income the about mining into a bunny sign. What is a bunny sign and you could that amount of money the margin TV. Idea woman kasa so your manager party and government any chomoka any individual any chomoka. Money minister and cash and found no cost any check. That check no so quiet it will be cash. No market okay me mama 120 but kwa charge minister same minister and confirm so mojisi minister so I cross check until this is a side of things a clear sport e okuma me no ka say uko kofodia ho e no moye independence match me see adani bush quiet and that ho but minister say 3 billion and they all African games cover kekwenye say cover. And after all African games, a force. How many Ghanaians are there present in Olympics? 6 Ghanaians. Almost 6 Ghanaians. Obi enu wonya medal. Medal ya bobu tokru. Ba kokra enye bi. Obi enu do cash prize no. Kenya for a buy be gugu krum ha to meka. Minia umunya almost 50 medals. And a Kenya for nya. Ghana ye host all African games gidi. Ya shiske ukeke. Olympics obi kura ntuma nkwankwaje tire ya bom medal ya bom tokro obi ntuma nkwaje bi ba minister just physical ya sen ofu dizzy kegu nkofo botom na me say oko appoint committee wa me say me fe like I am a guy the way I almost try to cover mo bi ahwe bi wo ani etwa ne cover the camera na to so be kasa o be kasa and I like the way they are doing over there. It's not partiality. So okay, we MPP ni, we NDC ni, we the appoint committee, we ye adwuma pe. Ye bisa question, ye bisa original question. Sika we fan. Oh my any say. And I like the Minister of Sports. One fact I like that man. On fast MC. On the back true natural okay. As in the say. Ono bibi of penny people no atwe. But the one thing I Ghana for say on ya idea. Say the way we is open. That one day too much. 3 billion of all African games to cover on GTV. Send Kawaya cross check, minister. Next time, do cross check because Nkofo within say Nkofo say within this go one year within be say. This is what is happening. The can I say the Minister of Sport versus GTV. Meaning crash in the cost of Nkofo be start. Say the balance of 2.something million more family here because GTV chess so much one there. That balance of 2.something no. Because GTV so much 150k and a minister so chest no 3 billion and the man GTV until say Ghana for chest the balance of 2.5 no why able to me acquire and I said who is that unknown person we could try that scandal GTV there was a question I kind of for business so here nipa no could try the here balance we are need here scan and I be before this what is happening. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. When I drop a video, better part of the family. I say thank you.